How to delete WhatsApp account permanently from the laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to delete a WhatsApp account permanently from the laptop. First, open the WhatsApp application and log in on your device. Then, click on the gear icon to reach its settings. Now, select the profile option shown at the bottom. After that, hit the logout button shown here. Another way is to access your device settings. Here, you have to click on the Apps option shown on the left side. Then, locate and select the WhatsApp application shown here. Now, click on the three dots and uninstall the app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.